Backing up a table or copying it is a very easy thing to do in SQL Server. So in this video, we're going to show you very quickly how to do it. So I have a table here with historical stock data. Let's drill into the data for a second and look at some of the values, such as the historical stock data for Microsoft. Now that we've seen the data, let's just comment out this code. And first, I'm just going to create a schema to keep my backups for my tables. And I'm going to call that schema BAK. I'll comment that out too. And the next command will do the copy, where you select whatever columns into whatever table from whatever source table. I can see from the red squiggles under back that SQL doesn't yet recognize it, so by hitting Control-Shift-R, I refresh the cache, and now it sees it. So I will just go and execute the query. And when I refresh my tables, you'll now see that I have two tables, one in the DBO schema, one in the BAK schema, and they contain the same columns. And I'll query the new table that I just created. And now I have a perfect backup copy of my table.